Here's how to schedule reels on Instagram. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. First, log into your Instagram account. After signing into your account, click on the plus icon at the bottom of page. Here, I'm gonna select this video to upload as a reel. Now, click on the add option. Here, click on the next. Now, again click on the next option. To add a music to your reel, click on the music icon, then select a song. After that, select the timestamps from where you want to add the song to your reel. Now, click on the done. Here, click on the next. At this page, you have to simply scroll down and go to the advanced settings option. Here at this page, enable the option of schedule this reel and set the date and time for scheduling. So that's how to schedule reels on Instagram.